Thylacine. This species, more commonly known as the Tasmanian tiger, is native to Tasmania, New Guinea, and Australia. It was an apex predator that looked like an elongated striped dog with abdominal pouch and stiff tail. It was rarely seen even before British settlement, and after it was severely hunted because the settlers feared that this animal would devour all of their sheep stocks. Its extinction has also been attributed to other factors like the introduction of dogs, specific diseases, and human usurpation of their habitat. Finally, although it was last seen in the 20th century, some sightings of the thylacine have been reported, but there's no proof of any of them. Number 4. Heath hen. This bird was a subspecies of the greater prairie chicken that used to live in New Hampshire's and Virginia's heathland barrens. The heath hens used to be a very common species during colonial times in the 18th century. In fact, they were hunted for food by the settlers, and later they were considered as food for the poor. However, they were so immensely hunted that by the year 1927, there were only about a dozen of them. Finally, despite conservation efforts of the bird species by the United States, the heath hen became extinct and was last seen in 1932. Number 3. Laysan crake. The Laysan crake, also known as the Laysan rail, was endemic to a Hawaiian island named Laysan. It was a flightless small bird that pertained to the rail family, which was considered an opportunist because it fed mostly on invertebrates, seeds, plant leaves, carcasses of seabirds, and eggs. It was an aggressive bird that used to fight against other species such as the Laysan finch, and although it was flightless, it avoided smoothly the frigate birds, its only natural predator, and it also had the ability of performing up to 1-meter jumps. It became extinct by 1944 due to habitat loss and World War II. Number 2. Golden toad. This extinct frog species is also called Alajuela's toad, orange toad, and Monteverde's toad because it was endemic to Costa Rica's Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve, which provided a wet and cold habitat for such frog. While both sexes of this species had smooth skin, males tend to be orange and were smaller than females, which displayed a variety of colors such as green, white, black, red, and yellow. They spent most of their lives in underground burrows. It was last seen in 1989 due to several reasons such as global warming, fungus infection, air pollution, and El Niño, the latter being the most accepted one. Number 1. Baiji dolphin. The baiji used to be a freshwater dolphin whose habitat was in Yangtze River, China. It's also been called the Yangtze dolphin and Chinese river dolphin, and it was considered a protector of Chinese fishermen and boatmen. It's been stated that this could be the first extinct dolphin species intrinsically linked to human influence. Although a baiji was reportedly seen in 2007, even a few of these dolphins wouldn't be enough to save their species from extinction. Finally, the baiji dolphin was considered officially extinct in 2002 when Kigi, the last living known of their members, died.